My name's Anthony Plume. I am the practice lead for Modern Workplace and Cloud Security at Bulletproof. Building a SOC is hard. Most organizations can't do it. It carries a lot of cost and requires a lot of expertise. It's not easy, and Microsoft Sentinel is there to bridge some of those gaps, make it a little bit easier. The biggest pain points, I think, are lack of visibility. Sentinel is obviously an industry-leading security solution, but it provides visibility into threats. Most organizations don't know what's out there. They don't know what's lurking in their environment, mainly because they don't have the tools, and Sentinel is that tool that can show them the risks and also give them actionable insights into how to remediate those threats. Security needs to be one of the top priorities. Sentinel will introduce perhaps a few daily tasks, of course, but it also brings automation and a lot of cost savings because your IT team isn't being stretched too thin. So a recent engagement with a customer, they were a regional government entity. They were focused on security, so they had a series of tools. The problem was the lack of integration. So tools were not talking to each other. There was a lot of time spent trying to gather data, analyze it manually, and do what Sentinel does out of the box. So Sentinel is designed to bring everything into one place and make it easier for not only the ingestion, but analysis and remediation. This is a huge benefit. When you have tools that don't talk, don't communicate, and don't integrate together, there's risk of losing valuable information. Sentinel has that information and makes it easier for teams to address current threats.